This is a cross product problem. I am trying to show that this green cross product is not equal to this orange cross product. We have three vectors A, B, and C. A is 1, 0, 1, B is 2, 1, negative 1, and C is 0, 1, and 3. Okay, for the green cross product, since that there is a parenthesis, we do the parenthesis first. B cross C, that is equals to, we have a 3 by 3 matrix, I, J, and K, and then vector B, 2, 1, negative 1, vector C, 0, 1, 3, close the matrix, and then here we do the determinant, so we start with I. Still remember how we grab this, so I, and then it's always a minus, J, and then we grab 4 numbers, and then plus K, and then we grab 4 numbers. All right, so for the first matrix, here is what we grab. Copy it over. We have 1, negative 1, 1, 3, and then the last matrix, we grab this. So we grab this for the last matrix, 2, 1, 0, 1. All right, let's bring this over to 1, 0, 1. And then how about the J? For the J, we pick this, and then we pick this, 2, 0, negative 1, 3. 2, 0, negative 1, and 3. And then here we go. So we have what goes first? So we have a I, and then what goes here? We do a cross multiplication. 1 times negative 1 minus 1 times 3. So 1 times negative 1 is equals to negative 1 minus 3. Oh, actually, you know what? I got the other way around. My mistakes. So you should do 1 times 3 first. The product is 3, and then the product is negative 1, so we will be using 3 minus negative 1, and then minus J, and then we cross multiply. 2 times 3 is equals to 6, 0 times 1 is equals to 0, so you have a 6 times 6 minus a 0, and then plus K, and then what do we do for K? 2 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and then 0 times 1 is 0, and then minus K, so this is equals to 4I minus 6K, 6J, and then plus 2K. All right, that is the B, and then for A cross product, so we have vector A, and then we cross B cross C. What do we get here? We have also I, J, and K, I, J, and K. So vector A, we have 1, 0, 1. And then how about B cross C? B cross C, you take the previous result right over here. 4, negative 6, positive 2. So we have 4, negative 6, and positive 2. So we have I, and then minus J, and then plus K. All right, still remember that. So for that, this is for the I, and then we have a 0, 1. I use parenthesis. Okay, I will just change that to a line. So matrix. Oh, the I and the J, the I, J, and the K, the order is not important. You can put that on the left side or on the right side. If you get used to the left side, I can quickly fix that for you. So I, J, and K, right? I can do this I, J, and K, so everything looks better to you. And then let's copy the number. So for the I and K, this is for the I, and then this is for the K. Okay, bring them over. 0, 1, negative 6, 2. And then for the K, you have 1, 4, 0, negative 6, 1, 4, 0, negative 6. And then in the middle, we have 1, 4, and 1, 2. So we have 1, 4, and 1, 2. And then next, we have I parenthesis, 0 times 2, just cross multiply. 0 times 2 is equals to 0, minus 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. And then what is that equal to? 0 minus 6, that is equals to a positive 6. And then minus J is always a minus. and then parenthesis 1 times 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 times 4 is equals to 4, and then plus k. 1 times negative 6 plus 0 times 4, and then that is equals to 6i, and then minus 2j, minus 2j, okay, plus 2j, and then minus 6k. Okay, so this is the end of the green product. So right here. So this one we have A cross B cross C. So B cross C. We are going to make a mark in here because we will have to do a comparison. All right, so basically the green part is done. Let's do the orange part. So to do the orange part, I match the color first. This time we cross A and B. So we do vector A cross vector B. So what is that equal to? I, J, and K. Vector A is 1, 0, 1. Vector B is 2, 1, negative 1. And then we do the determinant. We have I minus J plus K. Fill out the blanks. So for the I is this piece. Okay, for the K is this piece. Okay, let's bring them over. 0, 1, 1, negative 1, and then 1, 0, 2, 1. Are you following? Okay, and then moving on, this is for the matrix in the middle. 1, 2, 1, negative 1. Okay, go ahead, put this down. 1, 2, 1, negative 1. Okay, another cross multiply. So we have I, and then 0 times negative 1, minus 1 times 1, minus J, 1 times negative 1, 1 times 2. And then plus K, 1 times 1, 2 times 0. So that is equals to negative I, minus, we have a plus 3J, and then plus K. We are not done. We still have to cross this to vector C. So we have whatever vector we have, A cross B, and then we have to cross the C, right? So cross vector C. So we have I, J, and K. I, J, and K. The A cross B is negative 1, 3, and 1. We just got that. And then also for vector C, you have 0, 1, and 3. Okay, 0, 1, and 3. There you go. You have I minus J, and then plus K. So for the I is these 4 numbers. For the J, you take this chunk. Let's go ahead, put this down. 3, 1, 1, 3, and then negative 1, 3, 0, 1. Okay, how about the piece in the middle? Copy. Negative 1, 0, 1, and 3. Now we do the determinant. So this is I, and then you cross multiply. 3 times 3. Actually, you know what? Is wait, hold on. Is 3 times 3, and then minus 1 times 1, and then minus J, 1 times negative 3, minus 0 times 1, and then plus K, negative 1 times 1, 0 times 3. So overall, we have AI, and then minus 4J, minus K. So this is the end of the orange problem. So right here, so what we are going to do is I am going to do some copy and paste. So this is going to be a copy and then a paste, and then how about the green one? The green one is over here. So we are going to do a copy and then we do a paste. Are they the same? Yes or no? 6i 2j minus 6k, ai minus 4j minus k. No, they are not the same. So overall, our conclusion is they are not equal. Is that what the problem asking? Yep. Look, all the way up, we are trying to show them they are not equal. We did all the work. At the end of the day, they are not equal. So we are officially done. And this is also the end of this video. If you like the way I explain cross product, give this video a thumbs up. If this is something that you want to see, give my channel a subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Signing out.